guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be redecorating my bathroom into the farmhouse style. And with that being said, this is me showing y'all guys what I have in my bathroom right now, and it's still in the spring spirit. So we are going to be taking all this stuff out and getting it ready for fall. Who loves fall? Because I love fall. And anything fall, give it to me. So with that being said, let's get started. So we're gonna start off by changing out the curtains, and these are just plain white curtains that I picked up at Ross a while ago. Guys, just has the ruffles at the bottom. Super cute. Guys, look at my racks. My husband made them. They're so beautiful. They're so farmy looking. Oh my goodness, I have to give my husband props for this. And that's how they look. And I seen these at Hobby Lobby, ranging around $50 to $60. And I was like, no way I'm gonna be spending that much on some bathroom racks. So I just showed him a picture and he was like, oh, I can do them. So taking all this stuff out of here. And taking, whoa, I didn't even know there were scissors down there. And I'm gonna take this thing, and this basket I picked up at the Dollar General when all the farm stuff went on sale. I think it was 70% off, if I'm correct. And I picked this up for, I think it was $2.50 on sale. So I think that's a steal. So I'm just gonna be removing this cloth thing that it has inside, and just using the basket for probably some toilet papers up here, or I don't know, maybe like this. No, maybe like this. And just putting some toilet paper in there. So this is how the toilet paper looks inside the basket. And I also displayed wipes in case my guests don't want to use toilet paper. They always have an option to use wipes. So I added this Farm Fresh pumpkin galvanized bucket that I bought at Ross for $4.99. And what I added inside was the Dollar Tree pumpkin, the green one and the white one with the gold stem. And I think it just looks so put together. But I picked up this greenery from the dollar section at Target, and it was $3. And then I picked up the con stems from the Dollar Tree and the vase from the Dollar Tree. And this is how it looks. Hold on, let me put this back in here. And I think it just looked way better and more put together than the flowers that I was gonna go with. So here is what that looks like. And I feel like it just matches the pumpkins. Sorry guys, I feel like I can't make up my mind here, but I did take out my con stems out of the vase that they were originally in, and I added them to my Grateful Right Done jar that I bought at TJ Maxx for $7.99 or $5.99. I can't even remember. Yeah, $5.99. But I just feel like it looks so much better than the base. And I was originally going to use that to make a fall, not a fall candle, but my own homemade candle. But instead, I just used it for this because I think it looks so much better. I also added a fall scented candle. It's the Pumpkin Harvest, and it smells so good. It was $5.99, no, $7.99. Sorry guys, I don't even know what I'm looking at, but it's $7.99 at TJ Maxx, and I never burned that. It's just for decor. And then I added my hand towel that I got at Home Goods years ago. I can't even remember how old that is, but yeah, I think it just looks so good. What do y'all guys think? Moving on to the sink part of my bathroom. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby for $29.99. and it was 50% off, so I ended up paying like $16 for it, which isn't bad because I think it's so farmy and it's way better than the basket I had there before. Okay guys, so this is what my tray turned out to look like. Everything looks so well put together, and yeah, so this thing that's holding my cotton swabs is a jar. It's like a little mini jar. I got it from one of my aunts. It was a housewarming gift. I have no idea where she got that from, but I also picked these up at the Dollar Tree, and these hand rags from the Dollar Tree. And then up here I just added one of my fall candles, and the little jar thing that's holding my cotton balls, it's just a candle that I took the wax out, and I use that as a cotton ball holder. So yeah guys, I feel like everything looks so good. So moving on to the other side of my sink, I just put out that little bucket thing that I got from Bell's Outlet. It was $7.99, and then the greenery that's inside of it, I bought that at TJ Maxx for $7.99. And then this little thing that's holding our toothbrushes and toothpaste, I got that from the Dollar Tree. And then this little canvas thing, I bought that at TJ Maxx. I believe it was $4.99. Yeah, $4.99. It's from the Ray Dunn collection, and I just put that there. And then my little Mason soap dispenser, I got that at TJ Maxx as well for $4.99. So that's what this side of my sink looks like. My towel rack looks like with towels on it. And it was gonna look so weird, but it turned out to be a beautiful project. So here is the finished product of my farm style bathroom. Those racks, guys, they're to die for. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.